How you doing, everyone? Got another video coming today. I'm going to go to Sydney to pick up my new car parts. I have like GTR style N1 skirts to fit a GTST, and I think N1 style rear pods coming as well that I've ordered. Not taking the Skyline today, taking the 2-rag, a bit easier to drive in. Alright, got all the essentials for the trip. Should take about 50 minutes to get there. Let's go! Alright guys, just stopped by JSI Aero. Dude's heaps nice. Got the skirts there, pods are in the back. Gotta make the trip back home to Wollongong now, so I'll see when I'm there. Alright, here are the N1 rear pods and the N1 skirts. We'll get them out and we'll maybe put them on the Skyline, see how they look. Right, parts are there. Skyline's here. Love how it's hidden. Oh. But first things first, before I back this out and, I don't know, try and put these parts on by myself,
oh, give me my beer, boy.
oh. Oh. Alright, I'll get this car out. Alright, let's mock these up. Alright, so it's been about 3 days since I got the body kit. Still not on. There's some of it laying there. There's one of the rear pods. But I did get one side mocked up. Just taped on at the moment. And the rear pods are so much nicer. You can see, boring. Not boring. A little worried about this. It sits so low from the ground, and it's actually lower than the front bumper is. So I'm hoping I don't run over something, not hit that, and then hit that instead. Fitment's real good for a kit that I just bought. Obviously when this is bolted up, this will all tuck in a bit. That will tuck in. There's bolts under that need to go in. So it's just sitting there at the moment. But yeah, pretty happy with it. See, this will all tuck in. Yeah, I'll get the other side done. Maybe in like a couple of days, we'll see.